Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Hedgie. Today we're solving a multiplication magic square puzzle. The rule is simple. Every row, column, and diagonal multiplies to give the same product. Let's call it the magic product. From the question, we're given three numbers, which are 6 in the middle, 2 on the bottom left, and 3 on the bottom right. Our goal is to find x. Let's fill the blank step by step. First, let's name these four boxes A, B, C, D, so that we can refer to them more easily. Let's start. Focus on the bottom row. 2 times x times 3 equals 6x. This must be the magic product. Now look at the middle column. The top middle box times 6 times x also equals the magic product, since the magic product is 6x. So this must be 1. Perfect! Now let's think about how we can use A. It's a box that belongs to both the left column and this diagonal. That means A times 6 times 3 equals A times C times 2. If we cancel out A from both sides, we'll get 2 times C equals 6 times 3. So C equals 9. Boom! Next, we can use the same method to find D. This diagonal's product equals the right column's product. We can set an equation. 2 times 6 times B equals B times D times 3. Then we can cancel out B like we just did. So 12 equals 3D. D is 4. Nice. Look, now we have the middle row all filled in. We can find out the magic product. 9 times 6 times 4 equals 216. With the magic product, we have enough information to find x. Look at the middle column. 1 times 6 times x equals 216. So x is 216 divided by 6, which is 36. Done. What about A and B? In this puzzle, our goal was to find x, so we don't need to find out A and B. But of course, we can find them out to check that every row, column, and diagonal gives the same magic product. I'll leave that for you to try. Love this puzzle? Like and subscribe to Math Hedgie for more math adventures. See you next time.